Should we grind then weld? Weld then grind.
Well,
say fuck it, go on grinder. See what I did there for you?
Grinder.
I'm kidding.
Yeah, I really don't like Grinder. There's not a lot of face profiles.
It's all wing wangs.
No, anyway. I mean, we are gonna mud.
Yeah, we're gonna skim coat.
Yeah. So but this also has a dent, so this is gonna have to be filled out a little bit more anyway. So if you want to add a little bit more material, as long as we can get rid of it, it'll be fine.
Weld and grind.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll carry on then. This we're pretty good at here. I might want to. Should I fill that?
No.
You're saying fuck it, send it,
Yeah.
and it's under the trim anyway.
Yeah, you're not gonna see half this stuff.
Yeah, so just get these smooth, get them like this, and call it good.
Yeah, get rid of the monkeypox and.
Well, I had to do that because it went from one little rust
I know.
hole to.
They kept getting bigger. Yep.
Yeah, it was like you could put your fist in there almost. It was bad. It was at least a 2-finger. It was pretty bad. But some of them were not bad. Mm-hmm. See what happens when we come over here and use a good welder? It's so much easier. Mm-hmm. But, I've got my money's worth out of this thing already. All right, yeah, so carry on.
I hate
our grinding friend.
Especially when you start doing this and the heat just burns a hole in it and you're fixing a hole.
Oh, you gotta, when you're welding, yeah, that's this one. I was doing that over here. It was 2 little pock marks, and then I hit it, and then a hole went through, and then I showed Grant how to build your puddle, and I got it. It's fun. We'll hit that with a little bit. I might just grind that tomorrow whenever I feel like it, when I'm here.
Welding is not my forte.
I like welding
No,
cages and chassis. I don't like
body welding.
Doing skinny shit that's thin.
I've actually gotten to cheat, and I use epoxy resin and stuff like that, and just I had I was doing a 77 Charger where the half vinyl roof is, and it just got eaten.
Oof.
And I'm like, okay, there's no way. So I just stuck a piece of cardboard and used triple expanding foam, shaved it off, muttered it in.
Send it. Mm-hmm. Barrett Jackson special.
Because and it's still holding because the guy who bought the car from me is like, no, I said, is there anything wrong with it? He's like, well, it keeps breaking down. I'm like, it's a 70s Chrysler.
Yeah, it's going to break down.
I said, but the body. He goes, no, the body's great. I'm
like, okay. That's like the time I put gear oil in a Honda Civic that had a rod knock, and then we took it to CarMax, and they're like, the engine's great. I'm like, you dumb motherfuckers. Give us our money. We took it on a Sunday, though, so that nobody with a brain was working.
Sure.
Traded in Danielle's old car with a check engine light because I put the bulb out, and we took it on a Sunday, and there's no techs at the Chevy dealer on a Sunday. We are smart. Mm-hmm. Wow. We'll fill that well. Grind it. Grant can read.
Look at transmissions.
Ooh, pictures.
I like pictures.
Pictures are good.
Where did? Oh, there he is. I
I
found your thing.
Yeah, it's over there.
Yeah, it's over there.
I saw it.
Well, why didn't you tell me? I spent half an hour looking for it.
Sorry.
Dude.
I have to show you the, remember I was telling you about the Avance? This is what's good. I sent a carbon fiber membership card in a black envelope.
Oh, I do too. I like the white knobs. The white
Weld. A little more grind. A little more weld. Grind.
I had to do a couple scenes for the production, so to stop taking my blood pressure now.
We're looking pretty good. There you go. Getting there.
Getting there.
Not much more.
What are you using?
Soft flap disc.
What grit?
Chuck gave us.
$36 grit. Okay.
Yeah, just to get it.
don't use 80, you'll be there forever.
Yeah, 36 it'll cut in, make it nice. But it's coming along nice. I mean,
Yeah, I mean, stuff like here isn't going to make that big of a difference because it's going to be covered,
yeah.
you know. But the problem is, man, this all looks
Pretty good.
pretty good.
Yeah. What do we say we're gonna do on that corner? We're just gonna fucking leave it? Or are we gonna weld it?
Which corner?
That corner.
That corner, I'd say leave it.
Okay.
I mean, it's already got, you can see the low spot.
From the grinder and the welds.
Yeah. So, I mean, and we're going to skim coat and coat it anyway.
Yeah.
And then we're going to epoxy primer, which is also, and then we're probably going to filler primer.
Yeah.
So all
I
this,
love
I
filler
cleaned
primer.
this up a tiny bit right here, but
Other than that, we're
I
pretty
mean,
good.
a quick just to
Just
get it.
kiss it.
Yeah. Just because it's, you know, and underneath here with all this shit, we're probably gonna have to use chemical stripper because that's gonna be a bitch to try to get that out. And
Yeah.
You don't want it. You know, the new paint will.
Fuck up that
Yeah.
shit. Yeah, we'll have to do that. We haven't even got to that point yet.
No, but I mean, when we flip these over.
But that's a low spot, you can tell.
Yeah.
You can even feel it.
Yeah, you can see it. But again, something that light is just gonna be a
Skim and done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you could actually, the epoxy primer and the filler primer will take care of that.
Yeah.
Gotta steal a beer, Bobby.
Of course. Of course.